GM's newest engine technology, which looks to be the most sophisticated and effective combustion engine ever created, is set to completely transform the automotive sector. This groundbreaking engine positions GM as a leader in the shift to greener transportation options by fusing cutting-edge design, hybrid capabilities, and a strong commitment to environmental sustainability. In this video, we will go through 7 key points that highlight the significance of GM's groundbreaking engine technology. Number 7. Revolutionary design. As the most sophisticated and effective combustion engine ever made, General Motors is presenting its new engine as a revolutionary development in automotive engineering. Using a variety of cutting-edge technologies, this groundbreaking design maximizes performance while reducing emissions and fuel consumption. The utilization of innovative combustion techniques such as lean burn technology and homogeneous charge compression ignition, which enable more thorough fuel combustion at varied engine loads, is essential to this design. This leads to a significant improvement over traditional engines in terms of thermal efficiency, potentially surpassing 40%. Furthermore, it is probable that GM will employ advanced computer modeling and simulation methods in the engine design stage to maximize the engine's airflow dynamics and boost total power production. The engine's weight is further decreased without sacrificing structural integrity by incorporating lightweight materials like carbon fiber, composites, and aluminum. By requiring less energy to move the vehicle forward, this emphasis on weight reduction improves fuel efficiency in addition to improving vehicle dynamics. In an era where electric vehicles are becoming more and more prevalent, GM hopes to redefine consumer expectations for combustion engines by setting new standards in performance metrics like horsepower per liter and torque delivery. Number 6. Hybridization potential. With the ability to combine electric power and internal combustion to create a driving experience that is adaptable to different situations, GM's new engine's hybrid capabilities represent a strategic advancement in automotive technology. The seamless operation of this hybrid system enables the car to automatically transition between electric and gasoline modes in response to driving demands and circumstances. For instance, in city driving situations where there are a lot of stops and starts, the car might run primarily on electricity, which lowers emissions and improves fuel efficiency by utilizing the instant torque that electric motors provide. The combustion engine can take over on longer highway trips when continuous power is required, supplying power continuously without the need for frequent recharging. Moreover, GM might include modern energy management systems that use real-time data from driving habits and battery level to intelligently decide when to use combustion or electric power. This hybrid system might also include regenerative braking, which would enable the car to recover energy lost when braking and turn it back into electricity to replenish the battery. This feature increases overall efficiency and increases the vehicle's range without the need for additional charging stops. GM could greatly increase its appeal in a competitive market by providing consumers with a flexible driving solution that meets both efficiency and performance needs. Number 5. Environmental impact. GM's dedication to environmental sustainability through innovative technology that puts an emphasis on ultra-low emissions is a pillar of the company's new engine initiative. Innovative technologies used in the design of the new engine greatly reduce harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter. This is accomplished by combining increased combustion efficiency with highly developed exhaust after-treatment systems, which include particulate filters and cutting-edge catalytic converters designed to operate well in a variety of scenarios. Together, these systems make sure that emissions are cleaned up before they are released into the atmosphere, meeting or surpassing the strict regulations imposed by governments across the globe. Furthermore, GM's goal of lowering dependency on entirely electric battery systems responds to growing worries about how battery production affects the environment, especially with regard to lithium extraction and disposal. GM positions itself as a leader in sustainable automotive technology by offering a cleaner alternative that still runs on conventional fuels, but with significantly lower emissions. Customers that care about the environment and are looking for cars that share their values in terms of sustainability and reducing climate change will find resonance in this commitment. Number 4. Cost efficiency. Cost is still one of the biggest obstacles for buyers thinking about buying electric cars, mostly because of the expensive batteries, which add significantly to the total cost of the vehicle. With its new engine technology, GM hopes to address this problem by reducing the need for expensive battery systems while maintaining competitive performance thanks to effective combustion. GM was able to manufacture cars at lower price points without sacrificing quality or performance by concentrating on cost-effective manufacturing techniques such as modular design principles that facilitate simpler assembly and lower labor costs. Further reducing costs per unit produced is the ability to achieve economies of scale through mass production of components unique to this new engine design. When compared to traditional gasoline engines, consumers who choose these vehicles will pay less for fuel, and enjoy lower maintenance costs due to simpler mechanical systems and fully electric drivetrains. This potential for improved fuel efficiency also translates into lower operating costs over time for those who purchase these vehicles. A larger audience may find GM's offerings more appealing due to the combination of lower upfront costs and long-term savings, especially among price-conscious consumers who may have previously thought EVs were out of reach. Number 3. Threat to EV manufacturers. If GM's new engine technology performs as anticipated, it may present a serious threat to prominent manufacturers of electric vehicles like Tesla, Rivian, and Lucid Motors. Based on the expectation that internal combustion engines will soon become outdated due to regulatory pressures and shifting consumer preferences towards sustainability, these companies have made significant investments in developing fully electric platforms. However, GM may refocus consumer interest in hybrid or conventional vehicles that offer increased convenience without necessitating major lifestyle changes associated with EV ownership, such as the installation of charging infrastructure. If it can show that its advanced combustion engine can deliver comparable or superior performance while maintaining low emissions alongside reduced costs, potential changes in consumer behavior could upend established market dynamics and force EV producers to reconsider their business plans in the face of resurgent competition from combustion engine vehicles that offer sustainability and performance. Moreover, other automakers may decide to reevaluate their own development schedules for combustion engines versus electric platforms if GM's new technology receives favorable consumer feedback and regulatory approval. Number 2. Market dynamics. By rekindling interest in internal combustion engines that are more efficient and clean than their predecessors, GM's new engine technology has the potential to drastically alter market dynamics within the automotive industry. There may be a resurgence of interest in hybrid models as consumers become aware of this creative solution that combines efficiency with performance metrics typically associated with electric vehicles, like torque delivery and acceleration. These models offer the best of both worlds, lower emissions without compromising convenience or driving enjoyment. Instead of strictly adhering to an electric-only mindset dictated by current trends or regulations alone, this shift may encourage consumers to have a more nuanced understanding of their options when considering vehicle purchases based on individual needs. This could complicate the prevailing narrative that positions an all-electric future as the only viable path forward for sustainable transportation solutions. In order to meet the diverse preferences of consumers in various global markets, such as those where long-distance travel capabilities are valued or where charging infrastructure is still scarce, automakers may need to broaden their approach and allocate resources not only to electric vehicle infrastructure but also to hybrid technologies. Number 1. Future developments. Industry analysts predict that prototypes showcasing this revolutionary engine technology could appear within 5 to 10 years, though exact dates for commercial availability are still unclear due to ongoing development processes involving rigorous testing protocols aimed at ensuring safety standards compliance prior to launch readiness. This timeline is reflective of GM's commitment to thorough testing before market introduction, as well as adjustments based on feedback received during pilot programs conducted alongside regulatory agencies overseeing emissions compliance measures being implemented across various regions worldwide, ensuring alignment between product offerings and societal expectations surrounding environmental stewardship efforts. This period allows for rigorous evaluations against evolving emissions regulations while also addressing changing consumer preferences towards sustainability initiatives within today's transportation options. During the critical stage leading up to commercialization, there will be public demonstrations of prototype capabilities at auto shows along with pilot programs involving select consumers offering feedback. It will be imperative for stakeholders, such as investors seeking returns on innovation investments, policymakers seeking compliance with environmental standards, and consumers seeking workable solutions, to closely monitor how this innovation influences both conventional automotive practices and broader shifts toward greener transportation solutions across various markets worldwide. These points provide an even deeper overview of each point concerning GM's new engine technology and its potential implications for the automotive landscape. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.